In today's lecture, we are going to start next pharmacopoeia, in which extra pharmacopoeia. It is also known as Martindale. This is an authoritative reference book on the drugs and medicines in current use throughout the world. Means in the extra pharmacopoeia, in which it is an authoritative reference book which contain disease and drug related medicines related information is included in this book. Firstly, extra pharmacopoeia is also known as
Martindale. William Martindale.
extra pharmacopoeia is also known as Martindale. Then it was first proposed by Williams Martindale in 1883 and still known as Martindale by many of its users. Extra pharmacopoeia is first proposed by Williams Martindale. Therefore, extra pharmacopoeia is also named as Martindale. Then this pharmacopoeia is published or produced in which year? 1883, and still it is known as Martindale by many of its users. Then it aimed to provide practicing pharmacists and physicians with up-to-date information on the all substances, official, unofficial, and proprietary that are currently used in the pharmacy. Means aim or objective of this extra pharmacopoeia is the aim to provide the practicing pharmacists, that is pharmacy practices provided by this pharmacopoeia, and physician with up-to-date information on all the substances. Means physicians who having all the up-to-date information related to drugs is provided by this extra pharmacopoeia. And also official, unofficial, and proprietary that are currently used in pharmacy. Means the official, unofficials, and proprietary. Proprietary means these are the products which are marketed under the particular registered trade name. These products also official products, unofficial products, they all, their information is provided in the extra pharmacopoeia. So extra pharmacopoeia produced by Williams Martindale. Therefore, it is also known as
Martindale.
an extra pharmacopoeia produced in which year?
1883.
The aim of this pharmacopoeia is
to provide
practical pharmaceutical and physical
practical pharmaceutical and physician with up-to-date information on the substance, official and unofficial property that are currently used in pharmacy.
So aim or objective of this pharmacopoeia is to provide the pharmacy practice for the pharmacist and also for the physician up-to-date information related to all the drug substances. Then official, unofficial, and proprietary that are currently used in the pharmacy. So all the information regarding provided in extra pharmacopoeia. Sound is audible to all?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes ma'am.
Then next, to provide concise, unbiased information regarding biodrugs of clinical interest, legally summarized from the peer-reviewed literature, not a Book of Standards. Means Martindale, this extra pharmacopoeia also provide concise, unbiased information. That is fair or correct information. Concise means giving a lots of information, and unbiased means fair or impartial or correct information related to biodrugs of clinical interest. Biodrugs means these are the drugs produced by using biotechnology and their use in the clinical study, that is clinical interest. So the related this information also provided by Martindale and largely summarized from peer-reviewed literatures. Largely summarized means the information is provided, that is concise, unbiased information is provided by large summarized peer-reviewed. Peer-reviewed means they are reviewed or written by an expert. The literature is reviewed or written by an expert from their information also provided in the Martindale. Then first edition published by Williams Martindale in 1883 and 13th edition published in 1993. 13th edition published in which year?
1993.
And first edition
1883.
it contains information on around 5,000 biodrugs in the clinical use, chemical-based drugs, and traditional biological substances like antibiotic, hormones, and the blood product. Martindale or extra pharmacopoeia contain information on around 5,000 biodrugs, means it contains information of 5,000 biodrugs in the clinical use. Clinical use मध्ये जे biodrugs 5,000 biodrugs यूज केले जातात, जे बायोड्रग्स यूज केले जातात त्याच्यामधल्या 5,000 ड्रगची इन्फॉर्मेशन मार्टिनडेल दॅट इज एक्स्ट्रा फार्माकोपिया मध्ये असते. In which chemical based drugs, traditional biological substances, chemical based drugs, also traditional biological substances like antibiotic, hormones, and blood products. Their information also included in Martindale. What is hormones? Anyone?
हार्मोन्स चेंज झाल्यावर स्किनचा कलर चेंज होतो ना. स्टिम्युलंट.
What is hormones? Are the agent, or these are the substances they are produced in the body. They control and regulate the activity of the organs or the cell. That is hormone. Antibiotics are the substances they are used to fight the bacteria or other microorganism. And blood product means for critical conditions of the patient or for the donation of the blood products are prepared. So the information related to antibiotic, hormones, and the blood product, and also chemical based drug information, and also 5,000 biodrugs they are used in the clinical use. Their information included in the Martindale. The next, extra pharmacopoeia book's full title was the Extra Pharmacopoeia of Unofficial Drugs and Chemical and the Pharmaceutical Preparation. It is written by Williams Martindale. Extra Pharmacopoeia book's full title was the Extra Pharmacopoeia of Unofficial Drugs and the Chemical and Pharmaceutical Preparations, and it is written by their
William Martin.
William Martindale.
William Martin.
What is full title of Extra Pharmacopoeia?
The
Extra pharmacopoeia of municipal drug and chemical and pharmaceutical
preparation.
What is title of extra pharmacopoeia?
The extra pharmacopoeia of initial drug and chemical and pharmaceutical information.
William
The
Martindale.
extra pharmacopoeia of unofficial drugs and the chemical and pharmaceutical preparations is the title written by William Martindale. Then Martindale aimed to cover the drugs and related substances reported for clinical interest anywhere in the world. Martindale aims, that is objective of this pharmacopoeia, to cover the drugs and related substances reported for the clinical interest anywhere in the world. Means anywhere in the world.
मॅडम वॉइस डबल येतोय.
डबल येतो मॅम वॉइस.
कोणीतरी अनम्यूट केलं की तसं होतं. Martindale aimed to cover drugs and related substances reported for clinical interest anywhere in the world. Means the substances or the drugs, they are reported for the clinical interest, means they are used in the clinical purpose. So they are aimed or they are covered in the Martindale, that is extra pharmacopoeia contained drugs and the related substances related to clinical interest, or those drugs or substances included in the clinical interest, they are also included in the Martindale. This is aim of the extra pharmacopoeia. Then it provides a useful source of information for the patient arriving from the abroad to identify their existing medications. Now sound is audible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It provides a useful source of information for the patients and arriving from the abroad to identify their existing medications. Means जे पेशंट अब्रॉड मधले आहेत त्यांच्यासाठी जे काही मेडिसिन्स आहेत एक्झिस्टिंग, म्हणजे ते जे मेडिसिन्स यूज करतात, दॅट मेडिकेशन रिलेटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन ही एक्स्ट्रा फार्माकोपिया मध्ये अवेलेबल आहे. Means extra pharmacopoeia is useful or is provide information, source of information for the patient who are arising from the abroad. Abroad चे जे patients आहेत, they take medicines, that medication, identify this medication or any information related to this medication is available. Their source of their information is available in the extra pharmacopoeia. So extra pharmacopoeia provides source of information for abroad patient or the patient arising from the abroad. Then next, the extra pharmacopoeia, that is Martindale, contain information on the drugs in clinical use worldwide, as well as selected investigational and veterinary drugs, herbal and complementary medicines, pharmaceutical excipients, radiopharmaceuticals, vitamins, nutritional agent, vaccines, contrast and diagnostic agent, medicinal gases, drugs of abuse, and recreational drugs, toxic substances, disinfectant, and pesticides. The extra pharmacopoeia contain information related to many category, or it is source of information for the many agents. Firstly, Martindale contain information on the clinical use. Clinical use related information is available in the Martindale. Also, veterinary drugs and investigational, that is diagnostic and veterinary drugs. They are also in the Martindale. Herbal and complementary medicines. Then pharmaceutical excipients. Pharmaceutical excipients are the substances they are used during the formulations or manufacturing of the dosage forms. Then radiopharmaceuticals. Radiopharmaceuticals are the unique medicinal formulations and they contain radioisotopes. Radiopharmaceuticals, these are the dosage form or the formulations or the preparation. These are the unique medicinal formulations and they contain radioisotopes. Then vitamins, nutritional agents, vaccines, contrast and diagnostic media. Contrast and diagnostic media both are used for the diagnosis purpose. Then medicinal gases, drug abuse, that is misuse of the drug. Then recreational drug. Recreational drugs means the drugs which are used without medical use. This is also drug misuse. So recreational drugs means these are used without medicinal use for the psychoactive effect. Without medicinal purpose, those drugs are used are known as drug abuse or drug misuse, or they are under the recreational drugs. Then toxic substances, disinfectants. What is disinfectants? Sound is audible to all?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
What is disinfectant? Any idea?
Germs. Germs.
That is, these are the agents they are used to destroy the bacteria. And pesticides. So all the information related to this included in the extra pharmacopoeia. Pesticides, these are the substances they are used to control the pest. That is agriculture related. Pesticide is agriculture related. Then it also include almost 700 disease treatment reviews. म्हणजे 700 disease treatment जो review आहे, it also included in the extra pharmacopoeia. This book has 3 index, namely Directory of Manufacturer, Pharmaceutical Terms in the Various Languages and General Index. This book has how many index?
3.
3.
Their names?
Directory.
Directory of Manufacture, Pharmaceutical General.
This book has 3 indexes, namely Directory of Manufacturer, Pharmaceutical Terms in the Various Languages and General Indexes. This book, that is this extra pharmacopoeia or Martindale. Then pharmaceutical term in the various languages index lists nearly 5,600 pharmaceutical terms and route of administration in 13 major European languages as an aid to non-active speaker in interpreting packaging product. What is non-active speaker? The pharmaceutical terms, म्हणजे pharmacy related जे terms आहेत किंवा pharmaceutics related, that terms in the various languages, different languages मध्ये various languages index list nearly 5,600 pharmaceutical terms available in the Martindale and route of administration in the 13 major European languages. Routes of administration are in 13 major European languages मध्ये आहेत and pharmaceutical terms, they are also available in the various languages in which index list is nearly to the how many?
5,600.
5,600.
600.
Screen is visible to all.
Yes,
Yes,
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
13 major European languages as an aid to non-native speaker in interpreting packaging product. Non-native speaker means person who learning about the language, different language learning करतो and they didn't learn to speak. म्हणजे ज्यांना properly learning process सुरू आहे language learning different languages ची but they didn't know. Learn to speak, that is non-native speaker. For the non-native speaker, in the different languages, this route of administration and the pharmaceutical terms are given in the Martindale. म्हणजे पॅकेजिंग ऑफ प्रोडक्ट याच्यामध्ये जे पीपल्स इन्व्हॉल्व आहेत, that peoples or that non-native speaker means that person only learn the language but they didn't learn to speak. For this person, pharmaceutical terms and routes of administrations in 13 major European languages are available in the Martindale. Route of administration in how many major European languages?
13.
10 major European languages.
European language.
Route of administration is available in 13 major European languages. As an aid means for the use of non-native speaker. This is about extra pharmacopoeia. So firstly, we discuss extra pharmacopoeia is also known as
Martindale.
and it is produced by
1883.
produced by in which year?
1883.
The aim of this extra pharmacopoeia is
Provide practical
Pharmaceutical information with updated information, pharmaceutical and property that are currently used in pharmacy.
first edition published by
William Martindale. Martindale.
30 edition published in
1993.
okay. And Martindale around how many biodrugs?
5,000
Then title of extra pharmacopoeia is
The extra
Extra pharmacopoeia of
drug and
non-official
chemical and
and
pharmaceutical
pharmaceutical preparation.
title of extra pharmacopoeia is
extra pharmacopoeia of
Inofficial
drug and chemical and pharmaceutical
preparation.
preparation.
then this book has how many index?
3 index.
3.
3 3 index, not
3
13.
index.
13 rules of administrations are available in 13 major European languages. 3 index, their names.
Directory of Manufacturing Pharmaceutical
Pharmaceutical terms and
Various
various
language
languages.
and general index.
General index.
Then pharmaceutical terms. How many pharmaceutical terms are available?
5,000
5,600.
Pharmaceutical terms.
are available.
Okay, this is about extra pharmacopoeia or Martindale. Any doubt?
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay, let's see the next point. National formulary, that is NF. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
First
ma'am.
national formulary of US was published in 1888 by American Pharmaceutical Association. First national formulary of US was published in which year?
1888.
1888.
By which association?
American Pharmaceutical Association.
Pharmaceutical Association.
This one important for the objective question. The first national formulary of US was published in 1888 by American Pharmaceutical Association. USP, what is USP?
United States
United-
Formula.
United States Formula.
State Pharmacopoeia. USP and NF, they are combined together, are known as, in our previous lecture in USP, we are already discussed official compendia.
Yes, ma'am.
So USP and NF was combined as a single book and they are termed as
Official.
official compendia. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
United States Pharmacopoeia and the National Formulary are recognized as
Official
Official
Official compendia.
official compendia. Then they are combined as a single book of drug standards as a USP and NF. USP and NF represent 20th revision of USP and 20th revision of NF. Of NF official on 2002 from the USP and NF was published annually. Firstly, you have to remember USP and NF. They were published by annually, and USP NF represent 25th USP and 20 NF. They are in official, or that is they are published in which year?
2022.
2002.
20. They are officially published in 2002. NF, that is National Formulary, over 3,800 monographs for the excipient and the dietary supplement. National Formulary covers how many monographs?
3,800.
3,800.
Monographs for
Explain and dietary supplements.
So NF covers 3,800 monographs for the excipient and the dietary supplement. First national formulary published in
1888.
1888.
1888.
published by
American Pharmaceutical Association.
NF 20 and USP 25. They are published in which year?
2002.
2000.
NF and USP was published annually, and combined form of USP and NF is termed as
Official
Official compendia.
compendia.
Then next, the formulation included in the NFI, that is National Formulary of India, and ingredients thereof should conform the standards laid down in the current edition of IP. The formulation included in the National Formulary of India and the ingredients thereof should be conformed to standards laid down in the current edition of IP. Means जे formulations National Formulary of India मध्ये include केलेले आहेत, and the ingredients, formulations means preparation and ingredients means these are the substances used to prepare this formulation. Their standards laid down, that is given in the current edition of IP. Current edition जे आहे Indian Pharma, in which standards are given. If the no standards are specified in the current edition but are specified in immediately preceding edition of the IP, then these standards would apply. If no standards specified in the current edition मध्ये standards specify केलेला नसतील, but they are specified immediately preceding edition of IP and these standards would be applied. Current edition मध्ये जर standards नसतील, preceding edition त्याच्या before किंवा after ची जी edition आहे त्याच्यामध्ये जर IP च्या edition मध्ये असतील तर these standards would be applied. The provision of D&C Act 1940 D&C Act, long form
Druggist and Chemist Act.
Drug and Cosmetics Act 1940, and their rules in 1945 made thereunder including those relating to labeling conditions of storage. Labeling and condition of storage should be observed. Means provision, that is rules of D&C Act, that D&C Act published in 1940 and their rules in 1945 they are under, means this act or their provision giving information related to labeling and condition storage condition for the preparation or dosage form. Their labeling and storage conditions are given by D&C Act. D&C Act contain many schedules. So labeling and storage condition related information from which act?
D&C Act.
D&C Act.
D&C Act.
In
1940.
1940.
rules in 1945. In respect of the drugs for which no standards have been laid down in the IP, this would have to conform the standards laid down in the official pharmacopoeia of any other country wherein they included. Means those drugs whose standard is not mentioned in Indian pharmacopoeia, then their standards should be confirmed from other official pharmacopoeia of any other country. Meaning समजते हैं? In respect of the drug, means some drugs, their standards are not given in the Indian pharmacopoeia, then these standards you have to check or confirm in other official pharmacopoeia or official pharmacopoeia of other country, wherein they included. म्हणजे ज्या ड्रगची इन्फॉर्मेशन स्टँडर्ड्स तुम्हाला इंडियन फार्माकोपिया मध्ये नाहीत, that information related to this drug you can check or confirm from the other official pharmacopoeia or official pharmacopoeia of any other country. This is about national formulary. Here in today's lecture we complete 2 points: national formulary and Martindale, that is extra pharmacopoeia. National formulary in short मध्ये आहे. Any doubt?
मॅम लास्टचा पॉइंट आता शिकवलेला एक्झामला येणार आहे का?
Any doubt related to national formulary or United States pharmacopoeia, extra pharmacopoeia, British pharmacopoeia, Indian pharmacopoeia?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
In the national formulary, firstly you have to write the national formulary published by American Pharmaceutical Association in the year 1888, then combined in the single book. After that, USP 25 and NF 20, they are published in 2002. Then NF and USP and NF, they are published annually. NF covers how many monographs?
3,800.
3,800.
For the excipient and the dietary supplement. After that, you have to write if there is standards for the some drugs are not specified in the current edition, but they are specified in immediately preceding edition, then that standards would be applied. Then information included in national formulary of India related to ingredient or the formulation should be conformed to the standards in the current edition of IP. National formulary of India मध्ये जी information आहे ingredient and formulation related, that information you have to confirm from the current edition of IP. After that, you have to write about DMC Act. This act in 1940 and their rules in the 1945. And this act give information related to labeling and storage condition of the drug or formulation. Then next point you have to write, if there is standards for the some drugs are not given in the Indian pharmacopoeia, then you can check or give this information or the standards from official pharmacopoeia of other country. So in short, this is about national formulary. What is the NF?
National
formulary.
Sound is audible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is NF?
National
USP?
State United.
United States Pharmacopoeia.
State United.
What is USP?
United States Pharmacy.
Only 3 to 4 students know what is USP. Remaining students?
United States.
United States
United States
Pharmacopoeia.
Pharmacopoeia.
Number 8. What is IP?
Indian
Pharmacopoeia.
BP,
British Pharmacopoeia.
British Pharmacopoeia.
extra pharmacopoeia is also named as okay, here we complete pharmacopoeia. Third chapter in the first unit. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.